Hey guys, today I'm gonna open my mini brand Fill the Fridge Play. Let's open it. So hot. Sometimes when I open it, it just doesn't go all the way. It doesn't it just does it halfway. And I'm trying to do all of it. It doesn't, but that was for nothing. Okay, peel off. Oh, jeez. Ow, my. Okay. Hold on. Okay, let's open it. Got that. Easy. Oh, I thought it was watermelon again. It's a pizza. Pizza. Okay, there's mushrooms. I don't care. Okay, it's for one packaging. I have pizza. Let's see what. I don't have this kind without one slice. People have been having these. Like, I haven't had one of these yet. Let's close that. Okay, next one. Better not be the same thing. I finally got eggs! Yay! This is the best day ever. I finally got eggs. I've been dying for eggs, but I never get it. I don't have this. Okay, whatever. Okay, this one. Broccoli! I hate broccoli though. Okay. Another pizza? It better not be the same thing, or I'm gonna be mad. Okay, I'm just gonna do that later. And then, come out. What is this? It's orange juice? Juice? Yeah, I guess that's orange juice. I don't know what that is, but that's basically it. Okay, let's see what I got. I don't even know what that was, but that was kind of weird. Okay, I got the pack of eggs. I want the ice cubes now. Okay, I don't see anything on my list. Barely anything. Okay. So how about the magnets? Well, nothing on this side. Well, probably on the. Oh, I got this. Okay. Now, guys, I'm gonna put everything in my fridge. So I'm gonna put it in. Okay, that's boring. Okay. Let's put everything in my fridge. Okay. So, this all the stuff I have in my fridge is very nice in here. Yeah, even the bottom. Very nice. Would you want this fridge with so much food? Bye. Like and subscribe. Bye. Slay.